AI makes surveillance cheap and powerful, from facial recognition on every street corner to the predictions policing in communities. The danger isn't tech itself, it's how the governments and corporations deploy it, and we are entering a world where privacy is fragile. And that's obvious, and Human V4 explores how to navigate it. Half price for the first 100 readers. If interested, grab it now fast. When AI makes a harmful decision, who is responsible? The coder, the company, or the user? So, right now, that is the gap which is very dangerous. Without accountability, AI can cause damage with no one to answer for it. That's why literacy and ethics must come first. So, that's what I explained in Human V4. First 100 readers 50% off. Grab it now. Would you trust a black box? That's what AI often is. Models like GPT-4 can't fully explain how they reached their answers. Even the engineers can't see the every inside decision. This is lack of transparency, and this is one of the biggest risks. We can say that. And in Human V4, I break it down in plain language. And first 100 readers 50% off. Ever heard of RLHF, like reinforcement learning with human feedback? It's how AI like ChatGPT learns to sound helpful, safe, and polite. Humans rate outputs, and then the model adjusts based on rewards. It's not understanding, it's training by preference. Want to know more about this limits of RLHF? So I cover everything in Human V4. First 100 copies 50% off. AI doesn't invent bias, it reflects ours. If the training data is racist, sexist, or unfair, the model will only amplify it. That's it. And that's why AI has been caught discriminating in hiring, policing, and healthcare. Understanding bias isn't optional anymore. So I broke down this in Human V4, and first 100 readers get half price. Sometimes AI memorizes too much. That's called overfitting. It works on old data but fails on new. Other times it's too simple to capture real patterns. That's called underfitting. Both are signs of shallow learning, not true intelligence. In Human V4, I explain these traps simply. First 100 copies 50% off. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, is one of the hottest ideas in AI right now. So instead of making up answers, the model pulls in real documents, then generate grounded responses. That means fewer hallucinations and more accuracy. I explain more about RAG and other advanced tools in Human V4. First 100 readers will get 50% off. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, is the dream of machines that think like humans. But here is the truth, we are nowhere near it. Today's AI is narrow, powerful, but not conscious. AGI is still more hype than reality. In Human V4, I separate science from sci-fi. First 100 copies 50% off. Text is just the beginning. Multimodal models can handle text, images, and audio together. That means one AI could analyze a photo, describe it, and answer questions we asked, all in one flow. It's powerful, but also raises new risks. I break down multimodality in Human V4. First 100 readers 50% off.